like this that Nicki Minaj shit. Getting right into the video, I'm going to start off with my Bold Hold Active. As you guys can see, I cleaned the perimeter of my forehead. I went ahead and already started putting the coats on my forehead. So now that I allowed that to dry, I'm gonna go in with this beautiful unit that I went ahead and customized myself. If you guys did not see that video, I'm gonna go ahead and link it down in the comment section below. But as you guys can see, absolutely luscious. I'm gonna go ahead and use my rat tail comb to press the lace into the glue so that it sticks better. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of position the wig exactly how I want it. And now going in with my every usage, everyday elastic band, I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this unit down and blow dry it like there is no tomorrow. Alrighty y'all, so after I went ahead and blow dried my hair, this is what it's looking like so far. I freaking just noticed, y'all, that I ended up cutting, let me see if I can fix it. Oh my gosh, you can see it. I ended up cutting like a little bit of the front too short, which is so fucking annoying because the rest of the hair looks perfectly leveled, and it's not even like I haven't re-flat ironed it since it was on the mannequin head. So it looks really good. It's just this little itty bitty part right here is being a little attention seeking, but we're gonna go ahead and forgive her and let it be because I feel like so far this is a look like. But now that we are done blow drying my hair, like I said, I'm going in using my hot beautiful comb yet again. Now I'm also gonna go in with just a little bit of wax stick or waxing stick, and I just want to use that to kind of flatten any flyaways that are kind of like all up in my business. So now that I finished hot combing and flattening the life out of my part, I'm gonna go ahead and take my flat iron. This is actually a Revlon flat iron because when I was using my Babyliss flat iron earlier to fix up my wig, it literally was not even burning up. I don't know why. It was turned on to the max and it just wasn't doing what it was supposed to do for me. So going in using my Biostic Therapy, just a dime sized amount, just because I know that when I flat ironed it earlier, 9 times out of 10 I was, you know, overdoing it. And so I just want some oil, some moisture to kind of lock up in the hair and give it some sheen so that when I flat iron it, it don't look dry and crusty. So I'm just gonna brush all of that through, and then I'm just gonna remist my hair again with some of the Garnier. This hair is from Amazon. I forgot who I purchased it from. All I know is that I bought the wig for $80. It was a 20-inch 13x6 units. Couldn't beat that deal in my opinion. Honestly, I told myself that I was gonna return it because I genuinely thought like Amazon and wigs was not a go. I really thought that it was like a whole swindle, but it actually literally did so well. And then y'all, after I plucked and bleached the lace and everything, I went to wash the hair, and when I tell y'all, as I was washing the hair, it was soft as I wish I recorded it. I've never seen a cheap, I don't want to call it cheap, but an affordable wig not crunch up and curl up and mat up in the water when you're washing it. I'm gonna turn around so that you guys could see or kind of judge whether I cut the back of my hair well or not, and then also kind of to see how stupid it looks in the back, because I know for sure I'm not gonna be able to reach back there. So let's kind of see how she's looking, y'all. So let's just go ahead and see how the unit looks. I'm just gonna go ahead and start off by getting my baby hairs in tune. So I'm not gonna cut my baby hairs just yet. I'm actually gonna go in using my Nairobi as well as some Got To Be Freeze Blast spray, but I'm gonna use that after. But I'm going in with the Nairobi, and I'm gonna kind of form exactly where I want my baby hairs to lay prior to me cutting them. So I'm gonna use my little mini curler just to give it a little bumpity bump. Nothing too crazy. And I'm not gonna use too much Nairobi. I'm just gonna use a little bit, just a dime size. Then I'm going to go in using the comb part, and I'm just gonna tease the hairs. And as y'all can see, it's babying up. So now I'm just gonna grab my Got To Be, and I'm going to set that into place. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we are completely finished with this unit. I am absolutely in love. I adore this hair. I adore this bob on me. I feel like this frames my face so well. I'm definitely probably gonna tweak it some more and probably get it all to align. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel as always. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I will catch you guys in the next video.